Barnet Station, the East Coast Main Line. Fast platforms there. Looking rather outdated. 4 tracks here. Used to be an old siding over there by the looks of it.
Is that good?
Yeah, an old siding over here. I don't know what used to go in there, or perhaps it used to be another track. There's benches up here. Excuse my cough. Very cold. Got a shelter here. It's quite a pretty station really here. With lots of the plant pots. A bin. Very empty bin. This is quite good. And flowers look very pretty. Shame really that they shut the older platforms off really, the fast line ones. But yeah, I'm going to go over the other side now anyway, just to get that bit out of the way because that's where I need to be for my next train. So yeah, I shall see you over there. It's the footbridge over the line. It's very nice. Big maze of tracks. Thames Link coming through. Very nice. Weird how you have to go through the gate line to get to the other platform though. Thank you. Yeah, 50 past, thank you. Here is the London bound platform. Looks a bit in a better condition than the other side. Raining now. Ooh. Again. Platform 2. This platform. Yeah, very kind station staff here. Got talking because my ticket wouldn't work because I've already broken the journey so many times, which they're allowed to do. I think the barriers just get a bit pissed off after a while. But yeah. Cafe there. Not sure if it still opens. So another coffee shop. As to whether that one opens, I'm also going to guess. Probably no. Have a look at that shelter. But yeah, it's a very nice station. This is in New Barnet. Thank you for watching. My phone died, so yeah, thank you.